Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate fixes. Check the file size and whether it's on a network share. If it's large or remote, copy it locally to eliminate latency. Open Excel in safe mode to rule out UI extensions, and then disable COM and Excel add-ins one by one to find the offender. Once done, attempt to open the file. If it now loads, you've isolated environment causes and can proceed to targeted recovery steps. Next, perform deeper recovery and diagnostics. Use File Open Browse, choose the file and select Open and Repair to rebuild corrupted structure. Inspect formulas and external links. Volatile functions like indirect and large array formulas can freeze loading. Disable macros temporarily and export VBA modules if needed. Monitor Task Manager for CPU, memory, and disk I/O spikes that correlate with loading. Make sure Excel isn't paging heavily. Once identified, simplify or split the workbook to reduce resource pressure. To finish, create a clean, reduced copy. Remove hidden sheets, clear pivot caches, delete unused cell styles, and save as. XLSX to strip legacy baggage. Rebuild complex sheets in a new workbook, importing only values or rebuilt formulas to avoid copying corruption. Test incremental saves and enable auto recover more frequently. If the problem persists, clear Excel's cache, repair or reinstall Office, and run an Office configuration reset. One key tip: if Excel stalls, kill the process, then open the repaired copy. Don't keep retrying the corrupted file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.